JPB, it's only right, baby.
Yeah, why you mad? I got a bag, bro. Name
Hello
hot in these
guys,
streets,
welcome
no
back to my new
Tabasco.
vlog. Today we are reviewing this new WagonR LXi variant in CNG engine, and this video will be more important at this point of time in India because whole country is facing this high petrol prices and people are opting for electric vehicles or CNG vehicles. And this video will also be more informative for those who cannot afford an electric car at this point of time. So do watch this video till the end, and today I am going to tell you why CNG is practical at this time, and especially Maruti Suzuki vehicles, because CNG vehicles are very less produced by companies, and Maruti Suzuki is one of them, which gives an affordable vehicles which brings high efficiency. And today I will give a detailed review on this car. This gets an boxy look all around, which is looking good, and we do get this halogen headlights with indicators, which also looks little stylish. And we get this grille which is finished in chrome and Maruti logo, and we can see that radiator grille also finished in black, matte black. And this is an base model, so this car don't get an fog light and misses out with lot of features. And we can see this wipers with washer on the windshield, and we can see this 1 liter 3 cylinder K10B petrol engine, which is both used in CNG as well as petrol. This car produces around 58 bhp to 78 Nm of torque, and this car is an base variant. So this all tall boy design, which is an tradition of WagonR, and also this boxy look all around. We get this steel silver colored rim. The tire is an JK tire, tubeless, and tire size happens to be 155/80 R13. We get this 13 inches rims, and we get this indicators on the fenders. We get this rear view mirror finished in matte black, and we get this door handles finished in matte black, and we get this C pillar, which almost looks like Range Rover finish. And at the rear, the tail light reminds of Volvo cars, which is XC90 and XC60. And we get this WagonR written on the chrome and Maruti logo, and we get this normal tail lights. We don't get an LED setup, but CNG badging over there, high mount stop lamp, and this is the look of the rear. And let me open the boot. The boot size happens to be 341 liters, and this CNG tank capacity happens to be 60 liters. And we do get this spare tire placement in this boot, so we don't get more space to keep some luggages, but because of this CNG tank and spare tire, we don't get more space, but we can carry some amount of bags. And this parcel tray here big enough, and we don't get this 60/40 split seats, but we do get an option to split the seats, so that we can increase the boot carrying capacity. This is the look of the boot, and the company claimed mileage happens to be 32 liters for the CNG and 18 kilometers for petrol. The fuel tank capacity of this vehicle happens to be 35 liters, and the placement for refueling CNG and fuel is given at the one place, so that it can be easy. And in safety, we get anti-lock braking system, central locking, child safety lock, and seat belt reminder, front two airbags, door jar warning, seat belt warning, and front impact beams, side impact beams, and adjustable seat belts, engine immobilizer, crash sensor, central mounted fuel tanks, and engine check warning, ABS with EBD, headlamp on warning. The two airbags are mandatory for all the variants of the vehicle. The new policy of government. Let's open the door. And door feels heavy and they are wide and they almost open 90-degree. And we get this side door pads finished in black, 1 liter water bottle holder, storage place, and this door is finished in plastic. We get this front two power window buttons, and we don't get speakers, but there is a slot in which we can fix speakers, and we can get it through aftermarket. And these are fabric upholstery, and we get this dual tone finish on the interior, which is beige and black. And this is the look of the steering. We get this 3-spoke steering wheel with Maruti logo on the center, and we don't get any buttons on the steering wheel. And we get this basic instrument cluster which only offers speed, and we don't get a tachometer there. And the top speed of this vehicle happens to be 140 kilometers per hour. We get this wiper controls and headlight and indicator controls, and we get this 5-speed manual gearbox, storage place, manual AC control, hazard light button. We don't get a stereo, we can go for aftermarket. And this is the reading lamp, and we get this IRVM, sun blind with ticket holder, and we get this passenger side sun blind. We don't get any mirror, but airbag written over there, grab handles, and we get this glove box which is decent enough. And passenger door side, we get this 1 liter water bottle holder with storage place, and we get this power window button and door unlock button. And this is the dashboard look, and the dashboard looks good. The seats and interior are good, and seats are also pretty comfortable, and the cabin looks little spacious and comfortable enough for long rides also. And we get this gear knob finished in black. We get this storage place with charging port, 12-volt charging port, and we get this automatic AC controls, hazard light button, and there are a lot of options of stereos in aftermarket, so that we can go for that. And this is the look of the rear. Let me open the rear door. Again same, the door almost open 90-degree, so rear doors are also wide. And we get this black door pads and finished in plastic, and we get this manual adjustable glass up and down handle, and this is the beige interior with fabric upholstery, and the seats are comfortable. 3 people can easily sit at the rear for long trips also, and we get a good knee room and leg room. The front seats are little bit scooped out, so it is easy to sit. We get this handlebar at both the side. We don't get any adjustable headrest, but we do get a fixed one, so we get a good knee room. And thank you for watching my video. And if you got it useful, please do like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to follow us on Instagram for regular updates. Thank you.
Already done it. And I got your little boo telling me she love me. I got this one, that one. Damn, it's gonna be a long night. Yeah. You know. I said, damn, it's gonna be a long night.